Good evening. It's Tuesday, February 26, 2019, 11:31 p.m. here at the Washington Soldiers Home Cemetery in Ording, our state's oldest veteran cemetery. And I am right now parked on the road in question that needs to be realigned and paved, because right now I'm actually standing on top of somebody. Actually, let me pull forward a little bit. Let me make this more real. Notice how much closer these graves are. I'm on the road. I'm actually standing on top of Hallie Davis, World War I veteran from Wisconsin, and Richard Lee Apple. It's just two examples. I mean, there's plenty of them. Also of World War II in this case. I'm actually standing right on top of them. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Now, one may ask, why? Or how could this have happened? Now, look, I could barely open my door. Look at this. I'm barely able to open my door and avoid hitting his gravestone. Look at the road right here. See my feet? See this? Look at this. I'm on top of him. I am literally on top of him. My car is sitting on top of these graves. Somebody's remains. Does this happen in Medical Lake? Does this happen in Tahoma? Does this happen in Arlington? Or actually, where I'm from in the South, where they take these cemeteries a lot more seriously than they do here. Say what you want about the South, but they take care of the veterans there. I hate to say it, but you don't see a veterans cemetery like this in Florida. No way. Oh, no, no, no. Hell no. I'm from Jacksonville, Florida. This is why I have so much passion for this, because it's bred in me, okay? We would never, in Florida, we would never, ever, ever allow this. This is ridiculous. This makes me angry. Now, I am getting pushback from the legislature right now, from Republicans, my own party, people that have the power. I am asking for $400,000, which is peanuts in the big picture of the state of Washington, okay? Land of billionaires, record amount of tax revenue every year, more than ever forecasted. And we've got a cemetery, the oldest one in the state, the oldest veterans cemetery in the state, that's been neglected for so many decades. Now, graciously, to give them credit, my representatives and leadership in the House had authorized two sets of $250,000 twice, so a total of $500,000 to even bring it up to this level, to where these headstones are actually straight and clean, and that we paved a part of the road, and that we trimmed the trees and made at least brought it up to this level. But my God, look at this. Are you kidding me? Now, look, they're telling me, well, we've already done a lot of good in the with these other 250,000s that were given, but this is state property. This is what they're supposed to do. That's what taxes are for. But it's still not right. Look at this. This is an emergency. This is ridiculous. This road needs to be paved. And it's not just here. Look, over here. This makes me mad. This makes me angry. Look at this. I'm standing on the road. Look at this. Elmer. Private World War I artillery. He's a combat vet, for God's sakes. Are you kidding me? And so, look, if the Capitol building, which this actually happened, was damaged in an earthquake, There wouldn't be any question about, oh, there's too much money for this district and too many requests. No, they get the damn thing fixed. When that bridge went out in Mount Vernon on I-5, boy, did they get that thing redone in 2 snaps of a finger, yet it takes 20 years to do half a job in Tacoma. You see what I mean? So what that tells you, where there's a will, there's a way, okay? This is an emergency. This is unacceptable. We're not going to wait 2 or 4 years or 6 years to get this fixed. Hell to the no. Hell to the no. I've made a promise to these 2,265 veterans buried here that I will have their back.